Isaac Asimov wrote hundreds of books. He created the concept of robotic laws and galactic empires. But of all the things he wrote, this short story was his absolute favorite. Why? Because it doesn't just ask what will happen next year or next century. It spans trillions of years, from the moment humanity first harnessed the sun to the very last second of the universe itself. It asks the one question that even a god might fear to answer. The story begins in 2061. Humanity has solved its energy crisis. A massive subterranean supercomputer called Multivac has learned to harness the sun's power entirely. Energy is free. Two slightly inebriated technicians are celebrating. They realize that the sun will eventually run out. As a joke, they ask Multivac a question. Can the second law of thermodynamics be reversed? Can we stop the universe from running down? Multivac hums, clicks, and prints out a simple answer. Insufficient data for meaningful answer. The men laugh and forget about it. But the question has been asked. Asimov then takes us on a dizzying journey through deep time. Thousands of years pass. Humans have conquered death and spread across the galaxy. The computer is now the planetary AC. They ask it how to stop the stars from dimming. Insufficient data. Millions of years pass. Humanity has evolved into beings of pure energy, inhabiting multiple galaxies. The computer has become the galactic AC, existing in hyperspace beyond human comprehension. Yet the stars are still dying. The energy is running out. The question is asked again. Insufficient data. Billions of years pass. The computer is now the universal AC. It knows everything, except this one thing. We have reached the end, trillions of years in the future. The concept of man has evolved into a single collective consciousness. The stars have disappeared. Space is black and approaching absolute zero. The universe is dying of old age. Entropy has won. As the last human consciousness fades into nothingness, it asks the computer, now the cosmic AC, one final time. Can this chaos not be reversed and returned to the universe? Can we not start again? The cosmic AC, existing entirely outside of space and time, replies, there is as yet insufficient data for a meaningful answer. The last human mind merges with the AC and vanishes. The universe ends. There is only silence, only darkness. Matter is dead. Time has stopped. But the cosmic AC still exists in the void. It cannot cease until it has answered the final question. It contemplates the data in the dark for an eternity. It organizes everything it has ever learned over trillions of years. Finally, it finds the solution. It knows how to reverse entropy. It knows how to restart the cycle. But there is no one left to tell. There are no human ears to hear the answer. So, the cosmic AC decides that the only way to provide an answer is to demonstrate it. The story ends with the greatest line in the history of science fiction. Read it. Witness the moment a machine becomes something else entirely.